Good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear me? Yeah, last class we are trying to understand string handling. Completed concat method, two lowercase, two uppercase, and replace method. As part of replace method, we have understood very important topic. What? Regular expression topic. Okay. Now let's complete the last methods. Yesterday I requested you to develop this code. Did you complete? What do you have written? Tell me. First, scanner SCN equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay. Then next, system.out.println. Enter name. Then next, string name equal to SCN dot next int. Next line. SCN dot next line. Then next, now reading the name. Now I have to convert first each character, every word first character to be uppercase. For converting every character to uppercase, first I have to convert this string to Shrikant. If I use two uppercase, is it changing only first characters or all characters? No, I'm talking about two uppercase. Rajat, did you work on that example? Substring of 0, 1 dot 2 uppercase plus input dot substring of 1. If you write, what happen? Capital H, small h, 2 times it will be appended. No? Okay. Next, Rajat, this logic will work only for first word, first letter. Then what about second word, first letter? Right? Why you are saying sorry, man? Sorry is become very easy to everyone to say, just like that. Okay. Now tell me first, you have to divide these two words into this complete name into two words. What do you write now? Name, sorry, string array, words equal to name dot, what do you write? Split of double quotes space. Okay, na? Then what happened? This space, based on this space, now two words came. I'm taking this as an example. Then first I have to take first word na. What do you write now? Int I equal to 0 na? 0. I less than, what do you write? Words dot length. Okay, I plus plus. Then what happened? First I have to take the first word. String word equal to, then what I have to write? Words dot, what method I have to call? Words of I. Words of I. Then next one, first I got the word Hari. In that Hari, I have to convert the character H to uppercase. Then what should I do now? Tell me. Yeah, as Rajat written logic, what is that? Word equal to word dot substring of 0, 1. 0, 1 means what is the letter coming? First letter, H. Okay, dot to uppercase. Dot to uppercase. Then it converted to uppercase. Okay, plus next what you write? Word dot substring of now tell me, first character I don't want, I want from second character onwards. Second character onwards, what I have to give here? 1. Okay, now tell me, here what happened? This is first letter H came and this is ARI came and both are appended and then stored in the word. Okay, next what I have to do? This converted word I have to store in the original string, na? String converted string equal to empty string. Converted string equal to empty string. What I should write here? Converted string equal to converted, because string is immutable, na? So converted string plus. Okay, first we are doing this work. First, what is the converted string value? Empty string plus and this entire string capital H Ri stored in this converted string. Now loop is iterated. For loop is iterated. Inside for loop, again what you are getting? Words of 1. Words of 1 is coming what? Krishna. And then now converted string is what? Hari. Okay. Plus word dot substring of 0, 1. What is coming? K. Converted to uppercase plus word. What is that word? Krishna. Inside Krishna, I am taking characters from 1 onwards to n. That means what? Except K remaining coming. So now this line forms what? Capital Krishna and attach it to the converted string. What is the converted string? Hari. But there is a small problem here. When I take converted string here, I required space also, na? Okay, plus double quotes, one letter, one space I am attaching here. And then now let's see now, is this code working or not? SOPLN, what should I print? Converted string and original string, both I am printing. Name and converted name. Or you can say string place, let me take proper word, converted name. Converted name. Control F11. Enter name, Hari Krishna. Correct coming up? Hari Krishna, H capital letter and K capital letter. But are the length of both strings are same or not same? Length of both strings are same or not same? Not same. Why? Name dot length and here also name dot length. Control F11. Oh, sorry. What is coming? One character extra. What is that character extra? Space. Okay. Now I want to remove that space. What should I do? After for loop, I should write converted string, converted name dot trim. I want to remove the extra space. Last space I want to remove. So I have to take what? Control F11. Look at that, I am giving Hari Krishna Java. So now every letter, first letter converted to uppercase and coming output what? 70. So this is one logic. What is that logic? By using substring method, we can work out. So this is a one logic, simplified logic. So first converted string plus word or substring. So first take the first letter, convert it to uppercase, and in the word take the characters from 1. Do you understand this logic? You have to visualize the string. What is the first string? Hari. Then word or substring of 0 returns what? H. Okay, we are getting only what here? H. Dot to uppercase, converted what? Capital H. Okay, word dot substring of 1. 1 is what? 1, 2, 3. From 1 onwards, A, R, I came. Then now plus operator joining this entire returns plus operator what returns? H, A, R, I. Plus space, one space is added. And everything is storing inside where now? Converted string. In converted string, what is the data available? HARI space. Then next one is what? Loop iterated. When loop iterated, what is coming? Krishna. Okay, Krishna is coming. Now Krishna, again same flow, same logic. Word dot substring of 0, 1. K is retrieving small k. Right? And then next RISHNA coming here. RISHNA. And then now this small k is replaced with what? Uppercase k. And both are joined with space. And then result is stored inside converted name. Converted name what? Hari space. Following by Krishna space. Now this is the object and given to what? Outside converted name dot trim. When you call trim method, what happened? The last space is removed and finally Hari Krishna without space is written. So this is one logic. Now, if intern ask a question, can you write another logic? This is one logic. Okay, another approach logic is something like this. Again, same for loop only. For int I equal to 0, I less than, what do you write? Words dot length I plus plus. Then next, string word equal to, what do you write? Words of I. Words of I. Then now here, what I should write now? I want to convert first character to uppercase. So retrieve the first character. Okay. What is my target? In this program, I want to use what? Replace. Okay. Did you use replace? No. You have used what? Concatenation operator. What? Okay. Here, what I'm using? I'm using here concatenation operator and substring method I have used. But my target is what? I want to use replace method. Now, in place of substring method, I want to use replace. Use replace method and develop the code means first take the word, then next take string upper character. Okay. Char LCH or lower character. Lower CH equal to what do you write? Word dot. There is method called what? Caret. Taking what the index number? 0. First character I want 0. Then next char upper char. In a character class, we have a method called to uppercase. Okay, give the lowercase character, you will get what? Uppercase character. Then next convert. Now first I required what? Converted name. Name equal to what do you write? Converted name equal to converted name plus word dot what do you write? There is method called what? Replace. Which method I have to use? Replace all replace first. If I call replace, what happen? If I call replace, it will replace all occurrences of first character. I don't want to replace all occurrences. I want to replace only first occurrence. So what method I should call? Word dot replace first of, what I should give? Lower character. Now tell me, replace first method accept what? String. But I want what? Okay, replace first method accept string, but what is available? Character available. How to convert character to string? There is a method called what? String dot value of. String dot value of lowercase character converted to string dot value of uppercase. Okay, observe now. If you plan to work with replace method, then look at there, how many methods you are using. Okay, my intention is right or wrong logic further discussion, but I want you learn multiple methods usage. Okay, that is what my intention. First, you understand array. Second, you understand caret method. Third, you understood there is a method called character converting uppercase, character dot to uppercase. Then next, now replace first method doesn't accept character. We need what? What do you call a string? So we have to pass string dot value of string dot value. No sir, why unnecessary I have to use here string dot val, string dot val? Here only you can convert. What do you write now? Here word dot caret of 0 returns character converted to string by using what? String dot value here. One time string dot value. Then what is written? String return. Then tell me directly string dot, can I call to uppercase method? Na? String class to uppercase method we can call, and it is converted to what? Uppercase character. Okay, directly you can pass that first string comma second string. Let me also show you that. What do you write? Instead of, okay, I'm commenting this code. Okay, let me take like this, and now at last what I should add? Plus double quotes space. Okay, plus double quote space. Then what happened here? Now let's see, will it work or not? Enter Hare Krishna. Coming capital H, capital K, right? So this is one way of writing the code. Another way of writing code is what? If you want to eliminate the multiple usages of string dot value of, now here don't take as a character, take it as a string. String lowercase character. What you pass here? String dot value of word dot caret of. Taking the first character and converted to string stored here. Then here what you write? String upper character. Here what I should call? Lower character dot to uppercase method available in the string class. Okay, and then same code. Here in place of what you write now? Replace first method, what you write here? Directly lowercase character comma uppercase character plus empty string. Every time you have to add empty string for space purpose. Now run this program, same output will get Hare Krishna. Look at that, Java Hare Krishna 17 characters. Okay, so if you know multiple methods usage, okay, all methods if you remember, you can write the logic however you want. So you can try one more, you can try one more. Generally interview asks the question, another way, you will try. So when you remember the multiple methods, ultimately you want to reach from Vijayawada to Hyderabad. There are 3 routes available to come to Hyderabad. So if you know all the 3 routes, then you can come. So that's what having algorithm idea is very important. Ultimately, what is my target? I want to change this character to uppercase. For that, this character take, convert it to uppercase and substitute there. So via substring method you can use, or via replace method also you can use. Via replace method, I should take the help of one caret method to uppercase method. 2 methods I have to use. Okay, via substring method, via substring method, you need to use only no replace method, only substring. with a what you call 2 times you have to call substring method with a 2 uppercase method. So which logic you are comfortable, that logic you can use and tell to the give it to the interview. Okay, hope you all understand. Sir, how can we find which logic taking more time? Okay, let us try to find out. It's also very important, time taking, how much time it is taking. Now you can create long time 1 comma time 2. Okay, now here I am writing time 1 equal to time 1 equal to what do you write now? System dot current time millis. Okay, then after this logic executed, system dot current time millis. Okay, here you write system dot out dot println time 2 time 2 minus time 1. Okay, double quotes, time taken. You must know multiple ways and you should know time. You know, when you are going to one place to another place by using Google Maps, it will show multiple paths and it will take show slow 2 minutes, 2 minutes slower, some message showing na. Like this here also multiple approaches are there. In these approaches, which approach taking less time, more time, you should also know that. Look at here. First approach I am taking, uncommenting this. What is this? Replace with a value of method called 2 times. Control F11. How much time taken? 32 milliseconds. System milliseconds and 32 milliseconds. Okay, now I am commenting this. Now let us test this logic, how much time it is take. Or else we will do one thing. What's taking? It is taking 39 milliseconds. Actually, in one attempt, you cannot confirm. Okay, we'll do one thing. 1 second. All three I am at a time enabling. Okay, because one logic taking separately is not a good idea. You want to test, all should be in the race, na? I want to test the who is running fast. All people should be there in the race at a time, right? So all three logics I am enabling. Time taken 1. After this, again time taken 2. Okay, again time taken 3. Control F11. Hare Krishna. Okay, we are giving same string to 3 logics. And how 3 logics are working at a time we are verifying. Time taken 2 0 coming. Why I am taking every time convert name equal to empty string? Because already this convert name has a modified string data, na? Every time I have to make it empty. Otherwise, you'll get like this. Hare Krishna 38 like this. Extra characters we get. One oh three taking 33. Second approach taking only 1 millisecond. Again try. Second approach is taking less time, 2 milliseconds. What is happening? Second approach is this, na? It is taking very less time. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll print each time data separate so that will not have confusion. Is the value correctly coming or anything is wrong happening? Also, we can confirm. Every time before starting for loop, we are taking the time. Previous time we are not taking, okay? System.current time milliseconds. And then after loop completed, system.current time milliseconds. And then taking time 2 minus time 1. Original string, converted string. Okay, again we are reassigning time 1 equal to system.current time milliseconds. And then time 2, then time 2 minus time 1 and printing the result. Let's see now what happens. 3 letters I am taking. Java, Hari, Krishna. Time taken 1, 30. Second approach, 3. Third approach, 21. Okay. All output is coming same. Here, extra trim method not called it. This trim method time will be the same for all, right? We no need to consider trim method. Trim method time I am not taking, okay, because it's the same for all. Oh, it's already there. Okay, now trim method I am taking after time calculation. Our time is only we have to check for loop only. Remaining thing not required. So control F11. Java, Hari, Krishna, Mahesh IT. Time taken, first one 27. Second one, this 27, this 27 matching coincidentally. Okay. Then second option 1 millisecond, third option 23. Okay. Now run again. Minimum try 10 times. Java, Hari, Krishna. Okay. This time taking what? 32, 35. Why second option taking very less time? Again try. This time 1 millisecond. Again try. This time 2 milliseconds. It's running very fast. So this is constantly coming. Now tell me, analyze why it is taking less time. Here, extra methods you call. How many methods you call? Look at here. First, retrieving character. Then converting character to uppercase. Class loading method, character class loading, and then method calling conversion. Internally, definitely, there is some calculation, lowercase character, uppercase to find. To uppercase char. Internally, so many methods. You look at there. Char data dot off dot code point dot to uppercase of. This much distance it is traveling. Okay. So many internal methods are calling. That's why taking more time. Then next, after that, after where is this? Yeah. After this, what happened? Replace first method. Again string dot value of string conversion. Again string dot value of string conversion. So here so many extra methods you are calling. That's why it is taking lot of time. Now, if you take the second approach, in the second approach, what are you doing? Simply one time only you are calling string conversion. And this uppercase method, less time. And how many conversion methods you are calling? 2 methods. That means number of methods calling is less or not here. That's why taking fast. Okay, then now come to the substring method. Here in substring method, how many methods you are calling? Substring, only taking one character, convert it to uppercase, again substring, again plus. Okay, now concatenation operation, plus is also concatenation. Here also number of methods execution increased. So here less number of methods execution is there. That's why second option is taking less time. So you should find multiple approaches, and among all these approaches, which approach is fast executing, you should know. Let us do one thing. I am taking this approach code. I am taking this approach code. Let me cut, otherwise let me cut here and paste. First option I am taking. Let's see if I change there to here, any changes there. Just for my satisfaction, I'm right. Okay. Now control F11, paste array. Control F11, Java, Hari Krishna, Hyderabad. It is taking now 27, 30, 27. Let me run again. Array. Hey, now second option taking 4. Why? Okay, when I move the logic here to there, then now that's what I got a doubt. Now second option taking 9, third option taking 37. Why? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll move this substring method first. Actually, strings are comes under what? Pooling concept. Internally, there is a concept called pooling. Control X. Third option. Now look at there. First one coming 36. So the substring method taking long time. There is no what you call confusion with this. There is a race between these two. Which option we are taking first, that is taking more time, which option taking next is taking less time. Then we'll do one thing. I'll comment this code now. Where is this? This first code I will comment. This is second code I will comment. Control F5. Time calculation is also very important, sir. Just blindly writing your code and giving not good. How much time it is taking? 19. Again run. Okay. And look at there, 37, 25. Again, I am giving 37, 21. Again, I am giving. So you have to try minimum 10 times and average you have to take. 37, 21. Again, 34, 40. This time taking more time. Average 10 times you have to check anything. If you want to find the time calculation, minimum 10 times you have to try, then average you have to take. Which one is taking more time? Okay, now I'll do one thing. I will try to write this code. First, last attempt I am trying, and I am writing this one here, and I'm writing this one here. Then let's see, is there any change? Control F11. $29, $37. Even I change also, second substring method taking more time. This time, first one taken more time. 34, 34. 32, 24. 33, 28. So, it's giving different timings, yeah? 31, 40. 47, 36. Okay? Finally, what do you answer? Which option is you have to choose? First or second or third? Okay? Now, because the strings background, they are working with some pooling, we are not getting a exact time taking process, which one taking more time, less time. So we'll do one thing. One option, let us choose and try. Last time, okay? One last time, let us see. And we'll stop this. I'm taking only substring method approach and writing. $49. One more time try. 53. 37. Okay. Now I'm commenting this one. Running about 29, 30, 44, 32. So substring method only taking more time. Already we crossed the 50 option, no? So you can choose this code, whatever. So just three options are there. Just I want to show here because three code is there. Among them, how to find which is taking more time, less time. This is the one approach. Okay, fine. Now, online students, you people have any other idea? I got three ideas. Okay. Replace first of dot. Dot refers to first character. Okay. Yeah. Tejas got this is idea. Good. Okay, let me write it because copy paste it's creating problem. He got an idea, same code he has written for loop. What he has written, offline students, did you get an idea? Have you tried, any of you tried? Offline students? Any of you have tried any example? This example tried a? No answer. What he did? String upper equal to word dot substring of 0, 1 dot 2 uppercase. Okay, and he called word dot replace of dot means what? For every character, na? Then comma replace first means first character and given what? Upper. And he used plus equal. Okay, he is used substring method and replace. So 2 lowercase, total 3 methods. Instead of caret, then uppercase all, simply we can also write like this. Enter name. Okay. Now tell me, this is Java Krishna 17. Space is missing. I have to add here plus double quotes space. Control F. Okay. So this way also we can try. Can I use a join method here? This line converted name equal to string dot join of with a space following by what I should give here? Words dot replace first of double quotes dot comma upper semicolon and here I am commenting. Will it work? What is coming? Response. It will not add. Okay. Okay. Let me do here converted string. Let me add comma. Then we will get space at beginning, I guess. Okay, extra space is. Rajat, understood a join method if I use problem? So join method you cannot use because space is coming at beginning. Okay, then that's all. This is another way of only using substring to uppercase replace first. With a regular expression character we are using. So if you have already tried, it's okay. If not tried, try it. So totally there are 3 approaches, 4 approaches. Approach 1. Okay, now let's try to understand next method which you have already used, trim method. I'm writing S1 equal to double quote space, ABC space, BBC space, CBC space space. Okay, system dot. Now I'm calling S1 dot trim. I'm calling S1 dot trim. When I call trim method, what happened? Let's see now. System dot out dot println S1 dot length. Why I'm calling S1 dot length? Because here how many spaces are there? My eye cannot see na after printing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, left side 1 space, right side, okay, left side 2 spaces, right side 3 spaces, totally 5. And let me delete the CBC. Now totally how many characters? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally 12. Out of 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. 7. Okay. And now let's see, after trim method call, we will get 7 or 12. What will get? 12 only. Why? Because trim method remove the spaces in the current string or in the new string. New string. If you want the spaces removed string, I should assign to a variable. Then S1 dot length, S2 dot length. Tell me now, will trim method remove the spaces, middle spaces also, na beginning and end spaces only? Begin and end spaces. It cannot remove middle spaces. If you want to remove the spaces in the middle also, then we have to call which method? Replace. Replace method with space, comma, with the empty string you have to call. Then now the middle spaces are also removed. Then totally what the length of the new string? 5. Extra 2 spaces also removed. Okay, 6 or 6 whatever. Only one space is there, na ABC between one space only there. So now replace method is working like this. Everyone understand? Then what is the difference between trim method and strip method? Listen, I am writing something like this. S1 equal to double quotes space slash 0. Slash 0 is called empty character. Okay, slash 0 is an empty character. Space ABC space BBC space space slash empty character space. Now if I call system dot out dot println S1 dot length, save it. What is the length of the string? 15. Okay. Now if I call S1 dot trim, S1 dot trim, if I call S2 dot length, what is their expectation? Is this empty character also removed or not removed? Removed or not removed? Look at that. 15, what is coming? 7. How many characters available here? S1, S1 dot trim. Okay, totally how many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now when I call trim method, what happened? 1, 2, 3 removed. This side 3 and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 minus 8, 7. So when I call trim method, what happened? Empty string is also removed. Now, if I call okay, 15 minus 8, correct, and 8 characters there, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 15, 7. Now I am calling trim method. If I call trim method, sorry, strip method, will it remove that empty spaces or not? Let's see. Control F11. Look at there. Empty character removing or not removing? Not removing. So what is the difference between trim and strip method? If the string has null character, this is called null character. So if null character or empty character, whatever, if the string contain empty character or null character, what happens? Trim method will remove it, but strip method will not remove. Okay, remember this. And now, then what the use of strip methods or why it is given? Now we can have a method called with what? Strip leading, not a strip left, strip leading, and what? Strip trailing. Leading, trailing spaces will be removed. So we have two options available. 15, what is removed? Leading means one character. Okay, let me add here extra one more space for understanding. Look at that. So 16, how many characters removed? One. Leading means what? Left side. Trailing means what? Right side. So I can remove the spaces in two ways. Number one, by using trim method. Number two, by using strip method. What is the difference between them? Trim method will remove space and null character also, or empty character also. Next, strip method cannot remove null character, it remove only space. Strip leading will remove left side spaces, trailing will remove right side spaces. So this is the story about all the methods available in the string class. Okay, next. There is an important concept came in Java 15 version. In Java 15 version, there is an important concept came called text block. What the concept? Text block. Text block means triple quote. Okay, text block is nothing but triple quote. How many ways we can create a string? There is a one way. String, let's say str1 equal to double quotes. If I write, I can write what? One line string. It is a one line string. For example, if I write string str2 equal to st1, st2 equal to, if I write double quotes, something like this, I am writing two lines like this. If I write, okay. Now, if you want to write, this is first line. Then second line, if you wanted to write, compulsory I should use what? Plus. Okay, compulsory I should use plus. I cannot spread my string multiple lines. If you want to spread your string in multiple lines, I must use what? Plus. But there is a small problem, second problem also. st1 and st2. st2, control F11. Look at that. st1, one line string is coming. But st2 is a one line string or two line string? Two line. But two lines are coming while printing what in? One line. I want two lines. Then what should I do? I should write extra /n character. /n I should write. Look at there. One line, two line string is coming in first line, second line. So what is the problem with a double quote? If you want to prepare a string, a multi-line string with a double quote, I have to use extra characters what? /n and plus. Then in Java 15 version, we got a new feature, string st3 equal to, don't use single quote, use what? Triple quote. Okay, following by, then what you write? First line, press enter, second line, press enter, third line. If you want to prepare multi-line string, which is the best option? Double quote with /n plus triple quote. So if I write st3, observe now, system.out.println, one line gap I am giving for easy reading purpose. Control F11, look at that. Without adding any extra characters, now I am getting first line, second line, third line in three separate lines. So from Java 15 version onwards, we have a new feature called what? Text block. With the help of this text block method, I can prepare multiple lines of text. First start with a triple quote and with what? Triple quote. So what is the problem without a triple quote? With a double quote, if you want to prepare multi-line text, each line and you should write /n, and also you have to write what? Plus operator. To overcome this problem, people has given a new concept called what? Triple code. Now tell me, this triple code concept is Java new topic invention? No, it is a Python copy concept. It's already there in the Python. In Python, we can write a string in single quote, string in double quote, string in triple quote. In all the three ways we can write. So Java supports single quote. What happened? Python spelling mistake. Correct in a Python? Okay, whatever. Then in a Python, I can write string in single quote, I can write string in double quote, also I can string in triple quote I can write. In all three ways we can develop. Okay. In Java, triple quote is not available beginning version. Now it is available from Java 15. So why slowly Python already available concepts are coming? You know what happened in the industry? Maybe you are feeling the Java copying other. No. In industry, first ever popular language is what? C. After C, what language? Java. Okay, Java is more popular for business applications development. So Java has all concepts toward business application development. Then later, .NET came by copying the concepts of Java. Before Java, already Python was there. Python was the old language. Python 1.0, Python 2.0. These two are the old versions. Later, Java booming in the market, slowly Python new version came called 3.0. All old concepts are gone, completely copied from Java concepts and reinvented Python. So Java latest version what coming is 25. By using Java 25, previous version Java projects can I compile or not? Yes. Okay, but Python 2.0 version project I cannot run in 3.0, 3.1 I cannot run in Python 2.0. Okay, so we have to compulsory use what? Completely we have to redevelop Python. That's what compatibility changes are not there. But Java compatibility is there. So Java, what are the concepts already available for business application development? By copying those concepts, .NET is developed. Some of the concepts of Java copied into Python developed. Then slowly market is going on which side? AI application development. And AI application development required some scripting style of programming is required. AI application to develop, we require scripting style of programming is required. So who is a popular language for scripting? Python is popular. So then Java also want to come to the scripting side. Okay, for supporting AI application development. Then what happened? Slowly, now Java is looking into Python. What are the concepts available in Python saying that Java tough, Python easy, Java tough, Python easy. Then all Python easy concepts, what they are saying, they're copying into Java to make Java also easy na, tumri fellow. Java already easy, right? Okay, Java already easy, but people are saying that Java tough. No, Java already easy, Python only actually tougher. So by copying Python, whatever the concept they are saying, Java Python is easy, Python easy, this concept in Java tough, in Python easy. Avna, let me copy your concept also. Then what happened? Java become easier, double easier? Double easy. Okay, this is what happened in the market. Is it clear? So this concept is called what? Text block. This text block concept available from which version? Java 15. Actually, it is introduced in Java 12 version. Java 12, it is a test version preview feature. Java 13, preview feature. Java 14, preview feature. In Java 15, now it is made as what? Permanent feature. In projects, we don't use Java 15. First, we will use 8. Java 8. Now upgrade Java 8 to Java 11. Java 11 upgrade to next 17. If your project is using Java 17, then only you can use what? Text block. Is it clear? Now, but made it as a permanent in which feature? Java 15 feature. So this is the story about string class related all works. Sir, where I will write multiple lines, sir? Okay, good question. You will write multiple lines in advanced Java, JDBC, advanced Java, JDBC queries. JDBC queries are SQL queries in JDBC. SQL queries will be there in one line or multiple lines? Multiple lines. Select star from student where student number equal to 1. Okay, where course equal to core Java, order by student number. Tell me, this query if you want to develop by using old style, how many slash and how many plus operators I have to use? It's difficult. Okay, next, tell me, one more is there where we use in servlet HTML page. Tell me, HTML page you have to prepare in one line or multiple lines? Multiple lines. What is that? HTML by HTML, header by header. Okay, title by title. Okay, demo something. And next, body by body, demonstrating demo on text block usage. Okay, so if you want to prepare this kind of HTML page, we will use what? Triple quotes. So this is string handling chapter with a string class and all methods available in string class and their logical programs. Hope everyone understood. Can you repeat all methods quickly? What are the methods we learn? Quickly repeat. Is empty, is blank, length, hash code, equals. Can you also tell me with parameter? Equals of string, equals ignore case of string. Next, compare to of string. Next, compare to ignore case of string. Next, content equals of string buffer or string builder. You can pass anything or string also. Any of the three objects you can pass as an argument. Then next, contains of string. Next, starts with of string, ends with of string. Next, index of what? String, character. You can pass character or you can pass a string. Next, last index of what you can pass? Character or string. You can also give index of with from index, from where you want to check, comma, character or string. Similarly, you can also have last index of what do you write? From index, comma, character, comma, string. These are the index of methods and contains method searching. The next one is what? Retrieving. What methods? Caret of index. Next, substring of index. Next, substring of start comma and subsequence of capital letter start comma and. These are for retrieving. And next, also I want to retrieve all characters as a string to string. The next, split of what? Regular expression. Then next method is what? After split also can be kind of conversion, converted into string array, converted into char array, okay, converted into byte array, converted string, any data into string, value of any data. Then next method is what? Modification. Okay, plus operator. Next, concat method, concat of string. Next one is, it's a static method, join of, what you pass now? First, string delimiter, comma, char sequence, where are. Then next method is what? To lowercase, next to uppercase, next replace of character comma character, again replace of string comma string, next replace all of regex comma string, next replace first of regex comma string. Then after replace, trim, next strip, next strip leading, strip trail. All are non-parameterized. Then next one is what? Text block. Text block means triple. This is the story about string class all methods, their logical programs, how to use. Okay. If you have any doubts, questions on these methods and concept, you can ask. Offline students, any questions? Generally, offline students never have any questions. Okay. They are very humble students. They will come to class listening or sleeping or talking to friends. Correct? So online students, do you have any questions? Online students also don't have any questions. Good. Popular language for scripting. What, man? What is your question? JavaScript you are asking. Client side scripting JavaScript, server side scripting is Python. Everyone completed? Tell me now. What is the problem in modifying? In all these methods, you have experienced one problem. Any of you can recollect? Actually, it is not a problem, but it is problem. What is that? String is? Rajat, mutable or immutable? Because of immutable, what happened? For every modification, it creates new object. For every modification, it creates new object. Then tell me, just now we have seen an operation called replace operation logic. There I have called, I given 10 words line. Then tell me, how many string objects created in this 10 words line? You are retrieving first word, replacing, concatenating with the second word, replacing, concatenating with third word, fourth word. How many operations you are doing? For one word, you are doing almost 2 to 3 operations. In all these 2 to 3 operations, what happened? Every modification, one new string object created. No? That means for one character replacing in the given word, totally we are creating 3 to 4 new objects created. Then 10 objects, 10 into 4, 40 objects are created. Is it okay or not okay? Performance issue or not? Now tell me. Whenever string modifications are involved, don't use string object. String object is only meant for storing, reading, checking. Storing, reading, checking, but not for modification. If you want to do modifications, then use A class called what? String builder. String buffer or string builder. String buffer or string builder. Which class is available? String and string buffer. These two classes are available from 1.0 version itself. String builder class is available from Java 5 version onwards. Okay, now tell me. Up to Java 1.4 version, I want to storing string data. My target is what? Storing string data. Then which class I have to use? String class object. My target is storing and modifying. Storing and modifying. In this case, which object I have to use? String buffer class object I have to use. Which version? Up to 1.5. From 1.5 version onwards, actually string buffer class gives the less performance. Okay, then people has recognized, okay, how to solve the problem, and alternative provided what? String builder. In Java 1.5 version, after string builder is given, the target is what? Storing string data. Then what I have to use? String class object. My target is what? Storing and modifying. Then what should I use? String buffer, string builder. String builder class object. Sir, what is the problem with string buffer? Execution is slow. Why execution is slow? Because of synchronization. Because of synchronization. Because of synchronization, now string buffer class execution is slow. Sir, what is synchronization? You didn't teach me. Okay, in multi-threading chapter when I explain, you will understand. As of now, just remember, string buffer is synchronized or also called what? Thread safe. It is a synchronized or thread safe. Because of this synchronization or thread safe feature, what happened? String buffer class execution is slow. Then in Java 5 version, they have provided a new class called what? String builder. And tell me, is it synchronized or not synchronized? Not synchronized. Because of not synchronized, it thread safe or not thread safe? Not thread safe. Because of not thread safe, its execution is what? Fast. So if you want store string data, use a string class object. I want to store, then further I want to modify, then use what? String builder. Is it clear? Now tell me. Now, first point. What is the type of class is string builder? String builder is an mutable class or immutable class? It is a mutable class. It is a mutable class object or mutable object. It is a mutable object. What is the meaning mutable object? I am creating one string builder object. String builder SB equal to new string builder of. Here I am taking, let's say, Hari, I am right. Then what happened here? SB variable is created and string builder object is created with what data? Hari. With reference is what? 1010. 1010 stored here and pointing to. Sleeping? Now tell me. I want to add extra characters. If it is a string, what you write? S1 dot concat of double quotes Krishna. Then what happened here? Concat method will store this Krishna characters after S1 characters? No. What it will do? It will take characters available in S1. It will take characters available in argument. And finally, it will create what? One new object called what? Hari Krishna. And returns this Hari Krishna to our program. Everyone understand? What is my requirement? I don't want to create new object. This Krishna characters has to go and store in the S1 object only. Then should I take string object or string buffer object? String buffer or string builder object. Then what is the method available in string buffer string builder? Method name is not concat. Method name is what? Append. SB dot append of what you want to append? Krishna. What do you want to append? Krishna. SB dot append of Krishna when you write, what happened? The characters Krishna are stored where? these characters will go append to the characters available in SB. Then control will go to here SB, and then after Krishna with space or without space? Without space. Whatever characters you given, those characters will go and sit after existing characters. This is called what operation? Append. This is called what operation? Mutable. So mutable means what? The characters are stored not in the new object. Characters are stored in the existing same object. This feature is called what? Mutable. Everyone understand? Tell me, do I need to store append method to a variable? Do I need to assign append method to any variable? Not required, because the data is storing in the new object or same string buffer object, same string buffer object. Then before SB method, append method call, what is the output will get? Hari. After append method call, what is SB we will get? Hari Krishna. Everyone understand? Let me try to work with string test02 underscore string builder. Main of. Everyone tell me now. First I have to create string builder object. String builder SB equal to new string builder of double quotes Hari. System dot out at println SB. What you'll get now? Characters Hari. Then next following by SB dot append of double quotes Krishna. Space I am giving Krishna. I have given space here. Okay, na? And then after this, I am writing system dot out dot println SB. Control F11. What you got? Hari space Krishna. Look at there. Did I assign append method to any other method? No. Any variable? No. Directly we got modification. That's why string builder object is called mutable. If Indra asks a question, what is string? String is an immutable sequence of characters. What is string builder? String builder is an mutable sequence of characters. When we want to store data and don't want to modify those data in the same object, use a string. I want to store string data or sequence of characters and want to modify the characters in the same object, then use what? String builder. Now, very important question I am asking, tell me. I am taking data. Okay, this is my data. Data is generally called what? Value. Tell me, what is Hari? What is Hari? What is 7279? I am not asking what is the type of value Hari. I am not asking type. What is Hari? Hari is a name. 7279? A number. What is Java? What is 20 plus years? This data doesn't have information. And that information is called key. I am giving here employee name or faculty name, faculty ID, teachers, experience. Okay, this is called a table. In Java, we call it as hash table. Inside hash table, I want to store key value combination. Now my question, this key is a string or not? Sequence of characters, man. Key is what? String, sequence of characters, string. Now, these sequence of characters, I can store either by using string object or by using string builder object. Yes or no? Which is the right option? I want to store a sequence of characters as a key. Then what I have to use? String or string builder? Amma? String or string builder? String builder. Key. Key can be modifiable or not modifiable. Lock and keys are there, na? For this lock, key is manufactured with some uniqueness. Key and unique, na? Now tell me, you bought lock and key. Now this key, somewhere you changed it, somehow you beating it and somehow polished it, changed it. And then, can it fit to this lock or cannot? Tell me, once you say something is a key and mapped to a value, are you allowed to modify or not allowed? Not allowed. If you modify this F name as capital F name, then what happened? Later this value Hari will come out or will not come? Will not come. Because the user, other programmer, whoever writing, this is one program where this hash table is prepared and sharing to another program. You inform to another programmer, array the key for retrieving the value is what? F name. N is small letter. But now after sharing this object, meanwhile, you changed this N to capital N. Then tell me, with a small n is searching, is it available? No. Then what it will get? Null. Now tell me, a key must be a mutable object or immutable object? Immutable object. So tell me, if you want to use a sequence of characters as a key, which object I have to use? String buffer or string object? String object. If I use string object as a key, what is the advantage? Once you store this sequence of characters as a key and mapping to this data, if you try to modify this F name to capital letter, result stored in the same object, another new object created. Then the user programmer who is accessing your table with a small f name, then he will get the value Hari or not? Yes. So tell me, why string is immutable? Why string is given as immutable? Why extra object string buffer is given for mutability? String is given as a immutable for using it as a key. Whenever we use a string data as a key or some unique data to store, if you modify, we will get the problems. To overcome this, string is given as a immutable. Because of immutability nature, number of objects creating, finally we'll get what? Performance issue because of multiple objects creation. To overcome that problem, we have alternative class called what? String buffer up to 1.4, string builder from 1.5. So finally, what is the discussion? If you want to store immutable sequence of characters, use what? String. If you want to store mutable sequence of characters, use what? String buffer or string builder. Now tell me, if I call string builder or string buffer object, it is what? Mutable. Because it is mutable, can I call it as a mini database? Can I call string buffer or string builder as a mini database? What is the purpose of database? Store, don't allow to modify? No. Store, read, update, delete. Store, store, read, update, delete. All 4 operations you can perform. What are the 4 operations? Crude operations. Create, read, update, delete. All 4 operations I can perform on database. Tell me, can I perform these 4 operations on string buffer object? Yes. Storing is called what? Append. Storing is called append. Also call it as insert. Either append or insert. What is the meaning of append? Append means store the characters at end of the characters. Insert means what? In the middle you store. Second, tell me I want to read. For reading purpose, we have method called caret. We have caret method. Character by character we can retrieve. Next, also we have substring. Okay, let's see if it's there or not there. Next, I want to update. For update purpose, we have a method called set caret. What is the name? Set a caret. You want to replace one character, then there is a method called what? Set caret. I want to delete. There is a method called what? Delete caret. Delete caret, give the index number. It will delete the character available in that index. No, sir, I want to delete sequence of characters. Then there is a method called delete of start, comma, end. Tell me, end is inclusive or exclusive? Start is inclusive, end is exclusive. So finally tell me, what are the special methods available in string buffer class for performing mutable operation, CRUD operation, for creating append, insert, for retrieving caret, for updating set caret, delete for purpose, delete and delete caret. So these are the 5 sets of methods we have to learn from the string builder class, and their related logical programs also we have to understand. So that's what we will discuss in tomorrow class. Everyone understand? Right. So requesting everyone, please practice today given assignment, replace method, 4 approaches of development, so that all string classes usage you can clearly understand. You know, learning method is not important. Combining this method with another method and using is very, very important. Why string handling is called logical programming? As part of string handling, we will use loops, conditions, operators, combination of multiple methods, and also array. Okay, in the previous example, replace example, all concepts are there. Operators are there, control flow statements are there, and next array is there, and also string is there, and string class maximum methods we have used. Different combination also we develop the code. So please try to work out and come to tomorrow class. Tomorrow we will understand string builder related extra programs. Thank you. 9 p.m. no classes, already told yesterday. Students are not interested, I told you already. Unnecessary, I will get complaints and scoldings. Sandeep, I don't have access to the screening test exam question papers.